Hey guys, it's me, Annabelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY Pom Poms. I'm even going to be showing you how to make your own memory line with them. Okay, let's get started. For this project, you will need yarn and a pair of scissors. I'm going to show you how to make a small and a big pom-pom. For the big pom-pom, you're going to want to take your string and wrap it around 3 of your fingers for about 100 times. Once that is done, you are going to want to cut the end of the string. Now you are going to cut another piece of string, and you're going to use this to tie your bundle of yarn together. Make sure to use a double knot when you're tying your string together so that your yarn does not fall apart. Now you're going to take your pair of scissors and you're going to cut through the middle of your ball of string. And don't forget to do the other side. Now you're going to make your pom-pom more round by using scissors to trim the sides of the yarn ball. And you can always make your pom-pom smaller by trimming it more. And you can repeat the same process to get more pom-poms. For the mini pom-poms, you're going to use the same materials, but this time I chose to use white string. This time you're going to wrap the string around 2 of your fingers, and you're going to repeat this process for about 100 times. And once you are done, just snip the end. Remember, if you want to make your pom-pom thicker, you're going to want to wrap it more times around your finger. But if you want to make it thinner, just wrap it less times. After you're done, you're going to cut another piece of string to tie it together. Now again, you're going to want to cut through all that string through the middle. Lastly, shape your small pom-pom by trimming all the sides off again. I want my pom-poms to be the same size, so I'm going to trim more of the pom-pom off because I want them all to be small. And that's how you make your pom-poms. For this extra part, I'm going to teach you how to make a memory line with these pom-poms. So what you will need is pom-poms, some clips, string to attach your pom-poms, and some memories. Now you are going to take the string and tie it around the first pom-pom. And for the rest of the pom-poms, you're just going to wrap the string around. And don't forget to make a knot on the last pom-pom. And this is how your pom-pom memory line should look like. Now to complete your memory line, just take some clips and hang some pictures and decorate. And that's how you make DIY pom-poms.